Hey guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel, The Amanage. So today I'm talking about Wipro internship program. So you can see here the internship program name is AI Native Internship, and you can see here apply now option. So apply from here. And first of all, before talking about this internship program, first introduce myself. So guys, you can see here this is my LinkedIn profile. So make sure to connect me here for any kind of doubts and don't forget to subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon for new videos notification, and also follow me on my Instagram account. Okay, and you can direct drop a DM, drop a message if you have any kind of doubt. I'll definitely reply. So let's get started without wasting our time. So location is multiple location we have: Bengaluru, Chennai, Greater Noida, Hyderabad. Okay, and state Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh. So this is the recent internship hiring program via Wipro. So definitely you should apply. Don't miss this opportunity if you are college students. And I'll provide the link in description box. Okay. So you can read job description here. Internship co operation description. This exciting internship is to be a part of North America. Okay, so read it carefully and edit your resume according this. Okay, then apply. And internship responsibilities, read carefully, collaborate with global teams and senior leaders on internal initiatives aligned to our strategic partners. Okay, so if you are college student and if you are in our final year, okay, and fourth year and in eighth semester, so definitely you should apply in this opportunity in this internship because this is a Wipro internship program and Wipro is a big MNC, so don't miss this opportunity. Okay, so and you can see here you can register this, and you can also go through career page, Wipro career page, where you can find multiple jobs and internships according to your skills. So make sure to go through the career page, also Wipro career page. So in this video I want to share this internship opportunity. That's all. So if you like this video, then please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for new videos notification. So guys, I'll see you in next video. Till then, thanks for watching.